my name is Anya and today we're going to make a passionfruit cheesecake slice. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with a cup of flour, add in 2 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. Beat together 150 grams of butter and 70 grams of sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in 1 egg and mix until well combined. Add in half of the flour mixture and mix in with a spatula. Add in a 1/4 cup of coconut and mix until well combined. Add the rest of the flour mixture and mix until well combined. Pour batter into a prepared pan and spread out evenly. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Cream together 500 grams of cream cheese and 3 1/4 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 1/2 cup of sour cream. Add in a pinch of salt and 2 eggs. Mix until well combined. Add in half of the 1/2 cup of passionfruit pulp, which is also known as grenadilla pulp here in South Africa. Mix until well combined. Pour the mixture over the base. Pour the remaining grenadilla pulp over. And using a skewer, swirl in the mixture. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until set. Cut into squares and enjoy.